Do you know that you can host your website for free in GitHub and you don't need to purchase hosting? So let's check how we can upload our website files to GitHub and make the website live on the internet. So as you can see, I uploaded my website to GitHub and it is loading perfectly fine. So let's check how we can upload your own website in GitHub. So I already made 2 videos on how to create a website using AI and how to upload the HTML website to Hostinger and make it live on the internet. But today in this video, I'm going to show you a free method where you can host your website for free in GitHub. So for this, you need to first create an account in GitHub. So let me sign in to my account. Now in the GitHub, you need to create a new repository. So let me set the repository name to portfolio. So you can set the website name here and let's click on create repository. Now you need to upload your files. So here make sure to check for case sensitivity. So let me just show you. So as you can see, I have a folder called CSS which is in capital, and if I open the files, then the linking is in small case. So GitHub repository is case sensitive, but if you open it here in the local environment, then the website will load. But if you directly upload the files to GitHub, then it will not load your website. So for this, you need to make sure that the folders and files are case sensitive. So what I can do is I will copy all these files and let me delete this folder and let me create a new folder here with small case CSS, and let's copy both CSS files back to this folder. Now I need to upload this folder to GitHub. So let me open it side by side. Now let's click on upload an existing file and let me select all these files and drag it here. Now it will upload all the files and folders to GitHub. So let's expand it. And you can see all the files are now uploaded. Once the file is uploaded, you need to click on commit changes and it will process the files. Alright, as you can see, we have the folders and the files. Now we need to make the website live on the internet. So for this, just go to settings and here click on pages. And here just click on source and change it to GitHub action. Now you will see a new option, static HTML. Just click on configure and click on commit changes. Let's do it again. And it will take some time to make the website live. So you can see the actions here. And it is now in queue. So let's wait for 20 to 30 seconds. Alright, as you can see, that is a green tick mark. That's mean our website is live. Let's go to settings, click on pages, and here you can see the link of your website. So let me open it in a new tab, and as you can see, our website is live on the internet using this URL. So let me click on about us page, and all the pages are working perfectly fine. So this is how you can make your website live on the internet. And if you want to use a custom domain, you can do that. Just enter the domain and point the DNS records to GitHub and your website will be live. So if you want me to make a videos on that too, then do let us know in the comment section. And if you found this type of tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.